With over 500 million people using Instagram stories daily, and with close to 60% of people saying that they are more interested in brands that do Instagram stories, you need a way to make sure that you're getting the most out of your listings on Instagram so that you are engaging and generating more leads for absolutely free every single day. So I've come up with a Instagram stories campaign idea for you where we're going to leverage the different images of the property with different appropriate polls based on the image, and then links to different things like the property website, landing pages for the PDF guides, or landing pages for things like down payment assistance or other things. I'm going to walk you through a few examples here. I will give you the blog post link. It's right below this video, or get into the mastermind group to get it. But here we've got day one, and this is going to be the front of the house. The poll is, can you see yourself living here? And the great thing about these polls is people can engage with them. So as they're selecting the response, you're going to be able to know how to engage back with them. So it's a lot of fun. You also see there's a link, and this is actually a video clip. So we can do video clips with this. We can do images. You could even be in the video yourself if you wanted to. And that's linked to the single property website that you see here. That's got so many great ways to engage both buyers and sellers. Day number two is going to be the kitchen. We got a beautiful image of the kitchen here. The poll, again, is this kitchen your vibe? And you got the replies. Now, we always do two replies for buyers, one reply for sellers. Take this as either verbatim, so you copy us word for word, or edit it and use us as inspiration. But at least now you got some great ideas for content. This story here, notice it says, get the guide, 6 things to check before buying a home. And that is linking to this landing page here where people can download the guide that's completely branded to me. Day number 3 is the living room or the great room. And here you can see another great poll, and all the polls, all the link ideas are on the blog post. And here you can see we've got free ultimate guide to buying a home download. People click that, they go right to the landing page where they can download that guide, all branded to you, perfect, ready to go. Here's a blog post. We've got all the information you need, 5 stories in 5 days, 500 million people. We want to be in front of them. If you do not know how to do an Instagram story with a poll and including a link, click that right there. I'll walk you through how to do all of this. I got my phone up there. So it's super easy to do. Once you've done it a few times, you'll be good to go. But as we scroll down here, you can see story 1. So the front exterior, here's your poll question. And the link that we're recommending is a property website. And we're letting you know how to find your property website if you need to. Story number 2 is the kitchen. So again, here's your poll question. Use this verbatim or use it as inspiration. And we're suggesting linking it to the PDF guide, 6 things to check before buying a home, to that landing page so that they can download it right from there. And you can see here, click PDF guides, use the search to find the title that you want. There's over 40 guides. There might be another guide that you want to use. And you'll see the landing page link right there. Grab it, use it. And then every single day, there's another one. You can do this with your actives, your coming soons, your just listed, your pendings, probably sold right a little bit past the point, but you get the idea. Take advantage of this, get more engagement, get more leads, and get into the mastermind group. Let us know how you're doing, and we'll talk to you soon.